Right now, as you read this, Saturn is sitting in the dark, wearing the most spectacular accessory in the solar system, a ring made of ice and rock, wide enough to swallow the distance between Earth and the Moon several times over. Earth has no rings, but it almost did, and if one thing in our planet's past had gone slightly differently, you'd be looking up at a sky split in half by a glowing arc every single night. So how would we even get rings in the first place? Rings form when something gets torn apart. Every planet has an invisible boundary around it, called the Roche limit. Get too close, and a planet's gravity pulls harder on the near side of an object than the far side, until the object simply comes apart. That's exactly what may have happened early in Saturn's history. A wandering moon, or a comet, drifted too close, and gravity shredded it into trillions of icy fragments. Those fragments never went anywhere. They just kept orbiting, spreading into the paper-thin ring we see today. Earth actually had a near miss with this same physics. Some scientists think that after the giant impact that formed our moon, debris briefly circled Earth before clumping together into the moon we know now. If it hadn't clumped, if it had stayed spread out, we might have ended up with a ring instead of a satellite. So let's imagine that timeline. A ring around Earth, tilted with our axis, would be visible from almost everywhere on the planet. Near the equator, it would stretch overhead as a bright, continuous band, rivaling the moon in brightness. Near the poles, it would sit low on the horizon, barely rising. And twice a year, during the equinoxes, the ring's shadow would fall directly onto the equator, turning day briefly into a strange, dim twilight for anyone standing underneath it. That shadow wouldn't just be a light show. A permanent band of shade moving across the planet could cool the regions beneath it, disrupt weather patterns, and possibly reshape entire ecosystems that evolved around it. Ancient civilizations might have built entire calendars, religions, and myths around a fixed glowing arc in the sky. No telescopes required. We didn't get that sky. Our moon-forming debris found each other instead of drifting apart. But somewhere out there, on some rocky planet orbiting some other star, that different outcome may already be real. A world where every single night, the whole sky is wearing a ring.